Welcome to my channel. So recently guys, we just moved all the way 9 hours from Dallas, Texas, all the way to this mystery place. Now I can't tell exactly where this place is, but just know y'all gonna find out soon, okay? Oh, and plus this is me. This is my very first video, so welcome, you know? But yeah, anyways. Today is my first day of settling down in a new place. I'm telling y'all, this place is nice, y'all. It has all the luxury items, all the hardware appliances, the freaking washer and dryer. We got a bathroom, you know what I'm saying? We got my room with my mattress on the floor. Yeah, we just moved in here and let's check it out. So here's the new tour of my apartment. Let's go. Oh, that's it.
Bruh.
So let's go. All right, so when you first walk in, we have a nice mud room to the right side. We have our storage room with our broom. Nothing too slight for now. So now we're gonna head towards the first room on the left. This is my room, by the way, y'all. The ceilings go up pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. And my bed is on the floor. We got these twin mattresses from Dick's Sporting Goods. It was only like $10 on sale because like we tried to sleep on this floor for 2 days. Y'all, tell me why my back was broke. Like my back really was in pain, my neck was in pain. This is my closet, by the way. This is it with the light. I know y'all wanna see it with the light on. This is it with the light. And we have a few clothes. But this thing, yo, Lord, I'm so grateful for this because it helps so much. Like, I don't even know if y'all. So, okay. All right, now we're moving into my bathroom. Rolling the B-roll clip. Currently, I just got my main essentials here. And let me tell y'all, this whole bathroom is going to be purple. Like, I'm gonna have purple everything. Even my room is gonna be purple as well. The colors that I'm going for is lilac and white. So that's gonna look so pretty with the white countertops as well. Just ignore the shower curtain. This is just for me to survive with until I get a luxury one. Yeah, and also this tub goes pretty deep. This is like a good soaking tub. I already took a bath in it and I was in there. I was like knee high like this. But you know what, let me show y'all. This tub, it goes pretty deep. So like when you slaying in it, look, damn, look at all that space. Look at all that space. Look at all that space. Okay, anyways, so this is the bathroom for now. It's a pretty decent size. I'm just really happy that I have my own bathroom instead of sharing. So, cause I do live here with another person. And this is the kitchen. It's a pretty decent sized kitchen, I'm not gonna lie. The bars is the countertops is pretty like spacious as well. So that's good. We have a microwave, stainless steel appliances. This is our pantry. We don't have any containers or storage things. So yeah, it's just gonna be kind of spread it out for now until we get some storage stuff. I brought this painting with me, y'all. I don't know where to put it currently. I might put it in my room because it has a little bit of purple in it, but it also has a lot of blue because I want my room not to be those colors. Going into the living room, this is the living room. The ceiling goes up pretty high. I don't know the color scheme that we're gonna do for this place yet, but for now, this is just what's gonna look like right here. And that's the dining room. And let me show y'all the light. This light can actually like graduate in lighting. So if I wanted it to go up, I can make it go all the way up. If I want to go slightly down, it go slightly down, or it can go down, or up, or bright, or low, or up or middle or down. But I got kind of like zoned out in that. Okay. Let me show you the balcony. Our balcony is literally facing the trees, like the neighborhood. But, oh, that's all. But this is what it looks like. It's so peaceful out here. And then there's the sky. It's really pretty out here. You hear the birds tweeting. And yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm going back in the house. But it's pretty peaceful over here, y'all. There's like a lot of nature, which I love. That's one of my favorite parts. I would go in there, but I can't go in there. That's not my room. But other than that, this is the place. Hey, hey, okay. I actually recorded this in the morning. This is like the next day because I couldn't have my mother record for me. So I had to do it by hand. But I slept here last night, got my night clothes on. That seems to be it for the apartment tour, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I tried to make it as entertaining. Be sure y'all like my video. Comment if you're new. Bye. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.